Hello everybody, in this video you are going to learn how to do an eyelash lifting step by step. So first you have to take the shield which you get in your kit and check by keeping it on your eyes, on your client eyes, and apply a glue once you find the perfect size for her eyelid. And now after applying the glue, wait for 10 to 20 seconds till the glue becomes sticky and then stick it to the client eyes. Now apply glue on small portion and again wait for 5 to 10 seconds and then start sticking the lashes towards skill, and rest of the case is very easy, believe me. So you can see how slowly she is putting small portion of glue and then waiting and then sticking it towards the eyelid. As you can see, all the lashes are in straight position. So there is a major thing you have to remember while you are doing this step. However you will stick the lashes on the shield, it is going to give you the result in the same direction. So after this, now she is applying the first product, which is going to break the bond of the natural lashes and gives you the curl you desire. We will apply on the middle part of the lashes. Do not apply this product on the top of the lashes. This application hardly takes 5 minutes of yours, but make sure be patient. Patience is the key in lash lifting. Once you are happy and you know that everything has been applied properly, then apply the cling wrap and leave it for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the time is over, remove the cling wrap, remove the product properly, make sure nothing is on the lashes, and you make sure that you do not disturb the stickiness. As long as the lashes are stuck together, your job is easy. So once this job is done, now the time is to apply the second product. As you can see, the lashes are moving little bit, but they are not coming out. That is the best case scenario. Apply the second product, which is a neutralizer, which is going to fix your lashes curl in the same direction the way they are right now. Make sure do not touch your waterline or eyelid. Everything should be on the hair and on the shield, not on the eyes. If it will go inside, it might create some problem. You might have to clean it with water immediately and go to the doctor. So after this process is done, again you have to keep it for similar time, 5 to 7 minutes and 7 to 10 minutes if the lashes are very thick and strong and voluminous. Repeat the cling wrap process and remove it after the time has been done. As we can see, we are waiting right now. Now remove the product properly. Make sure everything has been out. Once you are satisfied with the cleaning of the product and you are sure it has been removed, take water on this lip brush and clean it and try to remove the lid properly and patiently. As if you remember, we applied the glue to stick the silicone shield over the eyelids. So right now we have to take water in this lip brush and try to remove it gently. And once this process is done, take tissue paper and keep removing the extra water. And make sure your lashes are totally clean. No product has been, sitting over your eyelid. That's the main key. It should not go inside your client eye. Okay, so remove this. And now you can see the proper curl in your client eyelashes. Take mascara brush, comb it well, and once it's done, you have to make sure that remove the water and take some serum on your mascara brush which comes along with your kit, and comb it with the help of a serum also, so we can nourish the lashes. As this service is only possible to those who have lengthy lashes. Either they have heavy lashes or not, but they should have lengthy lashes. Otherwise, there is no use of doing this service, because this service is going to give your client a look of mascara effect. And every single day, they don't have to apply mascara. I hope you liked the result and you did learn something from this video. If you did, please follow and subscribe us and like this video, as we are going to give you every single week something new to learn or to enjoy. Have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.